Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Nora, and today I'm going to talk about the massive KDP account terminations that have been happening consistently for the last few weeks, and tips and tricks on protecting your account by avoiding the mistakes before it is too late. So I make videos talking about my passive income journey, including tips and tricks and income reports and income reveals. And if you're interested in that kind of stuff, then subscribe and support the channel. So let's get ahead on talking about what has happened with KDP recently. There have been so many KDP account terminations in the last few weeks by Amazon, and this is quite alarming to people working in the KDP low content niche, as we all need to understand the reason behind these bulk terminations. I've recently also discussed publishing on KDP and talking about my own experience using the platform in the last year, and also an income reveal. I will link the video talking about that in the description box below so you can check it out. Some of the well-known accounts, such as Jade Summer, an individual account that has shared their termination status on some popular Facebook groups. Now, all these accounts have one thing in common. They all denied doing anything wrong, and they said that they will have not received any prior warnings. This can be true to some extent, but there is a twist. There's always reasons for terminating an account. To reduce the risk of getting your account terminated, you need to be aware of the 3 mistakes that I'm going to talk about. First of all, trademarks. Trademarks are really important to consider. Check trademarks using the USPTO trademark search using the link that I will put in the description box below. This is a link to the official page that allows you to check the trademarks. Select the live option and search the term, for example, Christmas coloring books. Do this process for all the main 7 keywords that you use to publish your book. If the term is not trademarked, then it will appear clearly that it's not trademarked. If it's trademarked, then you will see that it tells you that, and how you will find out would be to check the status. If the status is pending for that keyword or is in review, then it means you are safe to use the trademark until it is verified or approved. Check the goods and services also that is trademarked. So what I want you to do here is to check specifically for class 16, usage on paper material, in brackets books, because what this does is it would indicate that the item is trademarked for books. Also, use common sense. Stay away from making books about famous brands such as Disney and games like Fortnite. Don't include images of these brands. Don't include images or any sort of symbolism related to the characters inside your interior or on your cover, and also do not use any keywords related to them in any way. These are not only trademarked, but they will also get your account banned. It is also morally wrong. Let's just have some human decency here. You should not be able to profit from someone else's hard work. There are endless ideas to create coloring books without infringing copyrights. Be creative. Go on Creative Fabrica, the website that I always talk about, my go-to for interiors. Change them slightly. Get the subscription, the monthly subscription. They're currently running a sale, $1 for a whole month on Creative Fabrica using the link in the description box below. It will allow you to have access to KDP interiors that you can slightly change, either by adding in elements or some borders or changing the fonts to make it your own. Unfortunately, there are also some ignorant independent publishers that are doing this by infringing trademarks and getting away with it for now. Amazon is zoning in on the violators, and their accounts are getting terminated because of this one mistake. So this is what I do. I have a Canva premium account. This allows me to use graphics that can be used for commercial use. They also have amazing templates that can be customized for KDP, but you need to make sure that you change it slightly so it doesn't look like the exact same as the originals. Another great alternative to Canva is Creative Fabrica. I actually use both Canva and Creative Fabrica. So Creative Fabrica is a platform that allows you designers to sell their already made graphics, KDP templates, and KDP low competition keywords for commercial use. Another thing that I wanted to point out, besides the trademark and using common sense as tactics in order to help protect your KDP account from termination, is to avoid creating the same interior for different covers. If you're creating high content books such as coloring books or activity books, make sure you do not duplicate the same interior. This will result in a nasty customer service. There are many cases where a customer buys multiple activity books from the same seller and then they end up with the same interior. Imagine this, put yourself in the customer's shoes. This happens often and it results in bad reviews, it results in bad customer experience, and it results in getting your account terminated, because customer satisfaction is taken very seriously by Amazon, and this will get your account terminated. So publishing on KDP should not be an automated process. I hate to see that there's some software claiming that it can be automated, and just with a click of a button you can literally like jam in 100, 200 books at the same time to your KDP account and upload them that way. Totally against that. Each cover and interior should be unique, giving the customer a good experience and resulting in repeated purchases and happy reviews, because that will help your business moving forward in really like proving itself to Amazon, and also giving a signal to Amazon to give you more exposure, leading to more sales. A few final words before we end the video. KDP low content publishing is an amazing opportunity. It's great to utilize your creativity and your love for learning and create amazing books that actually make a difference. Protect your account by being responsible and morally mindful, and you will be safe. We've come towards the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and if this video has been helpful to you in any way, please make sure to subscribe, like and share. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and have a great day.